Hi, doctor. I'm 46 years old. I had two primary teeth in the front region and they fell out a month ago. Since then, the gap between all my teeth has increased. Can I get implants in that area at my age? At 46.
Only 46.
Only.
Only 46, right? So 40 age is absolutely no bar for implants at all. My oldest patient, this is a story I tell on my patient. My oldest implant patient is 106, and we place patients all the time on older patient. I've placed implants on 80-year-old, 90-year-old, and we do it all the time. So age is absolutely no bar at all. To answer your question, you lost your primary teeth. Yeah, primary teeth, if you held them for until the age of 40, which is great, but at this point, if the primary teeth have fell out and have fallen out, then you need a replacement teeth. So the answer would be you need to have some replacement teeth. My recommendation is based on where you're also mentioning the gaps, and so I don't know where exactly are the gaps. And if you're just thinking about replacing those primary teeth that fell out, then are the baby teeth that just fell out, can you replace them with the dental implant? Absolutely, you can do that.